In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create carousel ads in Meta Ads Manager. Understanding how to effectively use carousel ads can be a game changer for your advertising strategy, offering a unique way to engage your audience and showcase multiple products or services within a single ad format. Let's dive right in. First, navigate over to Meta Ads Manager. If you're not familiar with how to access this tool, you can usually find it in the drop-down menu of your Facebook page under Advertise, or directly through your Meta Business Suite. Once you're in Ads Manager, your first action will be to click on the large plus Create button. This is your gateway to beginning a new campaign. Next, you'll be prompted to select a campaign objective. This is crucial as it determines the main goal of your ad. Common objectives include traffic, which aims to drive more visitors to your website, or engagement, which focuses on boosting interactions like likes, shares, and comments. Choose the objective that aligns best with what you want to achieve for your business or brand. After selecting your campaign objective, you'll move to the ad set level. Here, you'll define your budget, choosing between a daily budget or a lifetime budget, depending on how you prefer to manage your ad spend. You'll also set your audience, deciding who you want to reach. Use the detailed targeting options to refine your audience by demographics, interests, and behaviors to ensure your ads are seen by the right people. Additionally, choose your ad placements. You can manually select specific placements like Facebook Newsfeed or Instagram Stories, or let Meta optimize these for you automatically. Now that your ad set is ready, it's time to design your ad at the ad level. Make sure you select Carousel as your ad format. Carousel ads are distinctive because they allow you to showcase up to 10 images or videos within a single ad, making them perfect for highlighting different features, promoting multiple products, or telling a story over several frames. With the carousel format selected, you'll add up to 10 cards. Each card can contain an image or a video, and it's important to ensure that the content is visually appealing and relevant. For each card you add, include a compelling headline and a concise yet informative description. These text elements should capture attention and encourage your audience to learn more or take action. Also, don't forget the destination URL. This is the link where people will be directed after clicking on your ad, typically to a landing page or a specific product page on your website. By following these steps, you'll have a completed carousel ad ready to captivate your audience. Remember, each element you add is a chance to attract, inform, and engage potential customers. Once you've reviewed everything, click Publish to launch your ad. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're excited to start creating impactful carousel ads in Ads Manager.